Welcome to Tiny Hands Art.
Yay!
Hi friends! Welcome to Tiny Hands Art. Today, I'm drawing and coloring a butterfly sitting on a flower. Let's start. First, I draw a rectangle. This will frame our drawing. Next, I draw the butterfly's body in the middle and add two small eyes. Now, I draw two big wings on each side of the body. Then, I draw some lines inside the wings to make them look cool. Draw some wing veins and details. Next, I draw a flower under the butterfly. I add petals, a stem, and a leaf. How beautifully the flower is drawn, isn't it? Do you know, butterflies drink nectar from flowers? Time to color. I color the outside of the top wings orange and the middle part yellow.